exercise because some of who are new, because they won't be knowing what is group planning. As far as the group planning exercise is concerned, it is the which part of the GTO series, which test? It is the second. First is what? Group discussion. Now, after group discussion, you have your group planning exercise. Now, as far as your group planning exercise is concerned, it is carried out in 5 stages. How many? 5 stages. In the stage 1, GTO will explain the model, like he'll explain the model which is there. Then in the second stage, he'll read out the narrative, or you can call it the story, whatever you want to call it. Now, after that, you will be given narrative and to read, and after 5 minutes, your narrative will be collected back. Then you will be given a white sheet of paper in which you have to write your individual solutions, and after 10 minutes your individual solutions will be collected back. Then you will be sitting in a semicircle and you will be discussing about various problems, and you have to come to a common group solution. Clear? Now, as far as your narrative is concerned, whichever SSB you are going, it will always start with the word that you are a group of students. As many of you are in a group. Why as many of you are in a group? Because as far as GTO's group is concerned in SSB, it is never less than 6, it is never more than 10. So then it will be written how you are going, कैसे जा रहे हो, what is the mode of transport, or for which purpose you are going, किस काम के लिए जा रहे हो, that will also be written, and time will also be given. A time binding factor will be there, that what time you have to reach. Understood? That will always be there, irrespective you are going for Army, Navy, Air Force, whichever, or Coast Guard, whichever SSB you are going. Now, after that, one more thing will be written, that time now is, abhi ka time ho raha hai. Other than that, third thing will be that mobile services are not available, whatever regions can be given. Understood? Any questions? Okay, now I have told you that as far as your group plan exercise is concerned, carried out in 5 stages. Stages I have told you. Now, what was the first? That GTO will explain the model. Then he will read out the narrative. Then you will be given 5 minutes to read the narrative. Then solution. Solution means as far as your solution is concerned, it has to be carried out in 4 parts. कितने में? 4. First is you have to write aim. Then you have to write problems as per priority. Then you have to write resources available. Then solution. Now, as far as your aim is concerned, your aim is whatever I have told you initially, that you are a group of students, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हो, and what time you have to reach back. That is your aim. Okay. Now, second, problems as per priority. Now you have to prioritize the problems in between, or at the end of the narrative there will be certain problems which you have to solve. Now, as far as the problems are concerned, how should you prioritize them? The first priority is always given to the human problem which is there. Okay. Now, second priority is given to the national problem or national property which is there. What are the examples of national property? Okay, railway station or bridge, school, hospitals, your railway lines, your road, bus stop, or a railway station. Anything can be there which is provided by the government. Now, third and fourth problems will be as per your ingenuity, how you want to prioritize them. Understood? Now, after that is resources available. What is the meaning of resources available? Resources available means what was the first resource which I have told you? As many of you are in a group means what? तुम group में कितने हो? That is your first resource. Then how you are going? The mode of transport which is there. That is also your resource. Then, other than that, now how will you come to know about the problems? Somebody will come and inform you. कोई आपको आकर बताएगा. How will he come? Whether he has, or how he has come, whether he has come by any transport, पैदल आया है, मोटरसाइकिल पे आया है, बस में आया है, वैन में आया है, whatever is there. So that now if he comes in a vehicle, then how many resources are there? There are two resources. First is the man himself, other the resource, vehicle by which he has come. Understood? So these 3-4 problems which are there, then somebody else will come or something will happen in front of you. So you have to prioritize them. Now sometimes what happens in SSB, everybody goes to the SSB after taking a guidance. So normally 2 human problems might be given, 2 national problems might be given. Then you have to prioritize them. Understood? Now after that, resources available I told you, then you have to write your solution. Now again in solution, 2 things will always be written, that all problems will be solved simultaneously. I will divide my group into sub parts or parts or whatever you want to say, that you have to divide. Understood? Any questions? Also, when you write your solution or when some problems are there, can you solve them immediately? कुछ थोड़ा बहुत तो टाइम चाहिए, नहीं कि तुम इधर भाग जा, तुम इधर भाग जा, तुम इधर भाग जा. Can it be done within seconds? You require some planning time. So you should cater for that time. Suppose time given is that you have to reach back to the hostel or for some place by 7:30 p.m. and if it is time now is 4 p.m. So how much time is available? कितना टाइम अवेलेबल है? 3 hours or 3 hours 30 minutes? 3 hours. So in actual 3 hours are not available to you. Why? Because the problem which has occurred, after that you have to go to your destination. So what, you have to consider that time कि मेरा बीच का टाइम क्या है, which is the mode of transport which I am using, और मेरे को कितना टाइम वहाँ पर लगेगा. You should minus that time while you are planning. Then you take around 10 minutes of planning also. होता तो टाइम ही लेगा, 5 ले लो. बहुत ही ज़्यादा तुम ये हिसाब किताब तुम्हारा ठीक है तो 5 मिनट ले लो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So at least, so you should mention that thing in that. Understood? Also, you should know about average speed of all vehicles which are there. This is available or Google में सब में मिल जाएगा आपको. You should know about the average speed, both on metal road and unmetal road. What is unmetal road? कच्ची सड़क. Metal road पक्की सड़क. Won't the speed differ? Speed अलग अलग होगी कि नहीं होगी? So you should keep in mind these things which are there. Understood? Okay. These are the things which are there in the group planning. What will happen? In the end, you will be sitting and you will be discussing about various group problems which are there and various problems which are there, and you have to come to a common group solution. Now, this model which is there, it will be there throughout the moment GTO explains till the time you reach to a common solution. This model will be there in front of you. Any questions? Shall we start? Okay. As I have told you that the first part, the GTO will introduce the model which is there. Okay, if this is the model, if this side is north, which side is east? Okay. Now, scale is 10 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now, other places, can you see a blue part here? This is a river. Now, this river's name is Ghaggar Nadi. Now, this double dotted lines you can see. This is unmetal road, you can call it Kachi Sadak. This is single dotted line indicates footpath or Pagdandi. Now, this is the black part. This is a railway line. Now, this side it's going to Tagatpura, which is 5 kilometers from here. This side it's going to Khanpur, which is 2 kilometers from here. Your road also going to Khanpur, 2 kilometers from here. This side it's going to Tagatpura, 5 kilometers from here. The other places, there is a place called Quarry. What is a quarry? जहाँ पत्थर तोड़ते हैं. Now, this is a ropeway bridge. Okay. Now, this is your stone crusher. स्टोन क्रशर क्या होता है? ऑल ऑफ हैव यू सीन अ स्टोन क्रशर, जहाँ छोटे छोटे पत्थरों को बना देते हैं. नाउ दिस इज विलेज कालपी. There is this is lake. Lake is Kanna Lake. Now there is a boat club here. There are certain facility here. It is connected by this unmetal road. This is FRH. FRH is Forest Rest House. Clear? Now there is one more place called Kali Hill. Any questions, anyone? Okay. Now the second part, that the GTO will read out the narrative. You are a group of students from Tagatpura Township who have come for boating this morning. Your hostel warden had instructed you to be back by 7:30 p.m. While you were enjoying yourself at Kanna Lake, a few laborers from Stone Quarry came and informed you that a laborer was badly injured and was lying unconscious. He requested for your help. While the laborer was narrating the incident, the Chowkidar's wife came running from the forest rest house and asked for your help in tracing out a goat that had run away. She said that if the goat was not sacrificed at Kali Hill by 6:30 p.m., it would bring an ill omen. The laborer also informed you that a truck carrying heavy stones had got stranded on the Alon bridge on the Ghaggar Nadi due to engine failure. While you were planning your course of action, two men came on their bicycles and said, "Sir, we saw three miscreants pushing a boulder from the Tekri on the railway track at the bend." This is Tekri, this is bend. Following additional information is available to you. Kalpi is a small village. A goods train leaves from Tagatpura for Kanpur at 6:15 p.m. Telephone facilities are not functional, and since because of that they have been knocked down by a speeding truck. Time now is 4 p.m. As young enterprising students, what will be your course of action? Any questions? Okay, I'll give you these seats. You can
Our aim is to return to the Kakatpura village before 7:30 p.m. Now let us discuss the problems. I think the first problem should be the giving first aid to the injured person.
Yes, I agree. And we should now move on to second problem.
Second.
Considering the boulder that has reached at the bend, so we need to remove the boulder and stop the train that is going to arrive
And
at
I think we should try to stop the boulder before
Let
it
us
reaches
move on to the third.
because
Let us move on to the third problem.
should be the truck because
Let us
to
first
reach the
discuss the
bend,
problems.
And I want to add some point that it is mentioned
Agree.
that
With
they are
chestnut
trying to
26,
move
our
the
third
boulder
priority
that
should be
we
the
can-
truck
we
as
can
it
also
will
try
help
to
us to reach
stop
the
it
bend on
before-
time.
Gentlemen, I think we should go step by step. Let us first discuss the problems. The third problem can be the truck which has got its
which is being stranded.
And the fourth problem is to find
the goat
the
of
goat
the
of the
guard's wife.
Chowkidar's wife. Now, if we talk
If
about
we
the
now let us
problem-
take our first problem and we
Yeah.
should solve it
Now let
first
us
of all.
discuss our resources also. As we are a group of 10 people, then
So
the
they
labor who
have
has-
come with their
labor
van
who-
and their some
The labor who
vehicles
has
because
come
they are
from
group of
bicycle
five
and
members.
and also the
They are
two
moving
persons who have come on cycle from the band
Yeah.
And bicycle.
And
We
also
can
at the
also
for a
have
guest house they have
as
also
We
well.
also have other
there
laborers.
for
We also
Yeah.
have other laborers
And
waiting
we
at the
can
quarry.
also- we can also assume a jeep at FRH.
for a
Now,
rest
and
house.
we-
We also have a boat which help to reach the Kanpur to the.
now let us
Group,
come
I,
on to the
I want to make a point that as it is mentioned that the southern part of the line
Yeah.
is devastated, and but it is not mentioned that the
We will-
northern
we
part
will come
of
to
the
that.
river is
Let us-
open.
let
That
us-
is,
No,
we
wait,
should take a
first of
telephone
all-
from
Gentlemen, we will come to that
Gentlemen,
also.
station.
Then we should take our first problem first
Yeah.
and discuss solution over
I
it, and then
agree
we'll
with chest
proceed.
number 7. For that, we can take a jeep from FRH and we can
First
move
of all,
to
we
Query.
should divide in a group of three.
Yeah.
Three
Yeah.
groups.
3%.
Now
We
let
should
us-
divide three
individual
groups,
problems
a group of 3 persons, a group of 3 persons, and a group of 4 persons. I
persons.
think that would be the appropriate
Yes.
group division.
We can also
So first
take
of
one
all,
person
6
who will
of the
go to
person would
FRH.
move. We could go to FRH and we could all leave at from the FRH in their jeep and reach the
Query.
bridge. To reach the bridge, 3 of the people would get off the jeep at the bridge and help in repairing the truck, and the other 3 would move to Quarry.
But gentlemen,
Gentlemen, I think that the vehicle is
They can also contact the police.
as the
It is not
as the truck
necessary
is
they will be
bigger
able
one,
to
and we think that we should take help of a mechanic.
I'm partially agree with you.
Either we
I'm
should
partially
take help
agree
of
with you
mechanic
because
or
the truck
we
There
should
can
take
be a
a tow
technician
vehicle.
available at the
As it was
FRS.
written that southern part doesn't have the telephone
But gentlemen, it is
services,
not
but the
necessary.
northern would be
Instead
having
of
it.
this, we can go
So
with the
we can
first
also inform the police.
I think
find
at
another
first
type
we
of
should
BB crane.
inform the
Agree
railway
with chest
railway
number
master
railway
at
department from
Kharagpur.
the
So the people who are going to quarry can take the ropeway to stone crusher
And then
instead of
I'm-
using the
When we come to
bicycles.
admit the
I agree with
person
chest
at
number,
Khanpura,
sir.
then we can inform the
I
police.
think that 3% can move to query and
Take
by
the ropeway
giving-
to
By first they can give him the primary first aid and they can by through the ropeway they can
take him to
take
stone crusher,
and
and
from
there
there
they
they
can take the vehicle and take metal road to Takatpur.
And also, as mentioned by chest number 46, the like coaling facilities are available north side of the river.
Yes, sir.
So we can call the railway authorities at
Railway authorities or the
Takatpur to
police.
stop the rail to stop the train.
But I think Takatpur is more far away than the Khanpur, so we should take them to Khanpur because it is just
No,
only.
No,
no,
but
we are-
Kanpur is
we have
2
also-
kilometers from that stretch,
Yeah.
but the stretch
But-
between it is
But
more.
than
I
that.
think gentlemen, there is no such big difference because when we see from the joint, the way the road is joining, it will be more if we go to Khanpur
Yeah.
and it will be less.
So-
if we Agreeing go with to- chest number 8 rather than
Right.
going to metal road, we can go through the water.
And the people.
through the boat.
And
But
after
the-
admit-
But just as the one flow of the
From the
as the
railway.
one flow of the river.
And we should also not forget that our ultimate destination to return is Takatpur.
Yeah.
So going to
That's why-
Takatpur
that's
is
why
more
they are-
viable.
They are planning to gather at Kalpi place and from
But
there they
as
can
just
move
number
easily
10 has
to
mentioned
Kalpur.
about going through boat, I don't think there is it will be possible because the
There-
Indian man is at query. First we will have to take him to the boat club and then from there we have to take
So
to
that's
the
very
river.
good.
Yes, I agree to
The
it.
right way.
And also I want to add that
Ropeway.
since one of our teammates are going to Takatpur, they can also inform the fire authorities there as they would be needed to remove the boulder, and it is a big thing. And also we can gather
also
people
do
from
that.
stone crusher as they might be.
And
And
also
we can
gentlemen,
Yes,
I
they-
would-
they can
also
also help
which
in
are
the
used in
railway
crushing
station.
I would like to add one
and
point
we
that
can
Yes.
take
if
the
we-
stone crusher at bend to crush the stone which is being placed at track. I think we
Yes,
can
I
take
agree to.
help
I
of the
agree
stone
to.
crusher
I
at
I
agree
think
to case
gentlemen,
number
I would
46.
like to add one point that if we are going to query and also we are going to stone crusher, we can inform the laborers about the truck. So from the query, some laborers can go to the bridge
to help with the truck, and
to
we can
help the
also
remove
take
the
with some
truck.
tow vehicles.
And
from the
also
road.
at the FRS there might be a technician
Yes,
that
yes,
would be
yes.
taking care of the vehicles at FRS. So that technician could also help in.
But then side by side from FRS, they can
person with the help of you are saying jeep. So first of all, we have to remove the track. So instead of
No, gentlemen, we are not
Gentlemen.
taking through in bridge. We are just coming to the stone
Okay,
crusher,
okay.
and from there we are taking another jeep because
So you are
I
carrying
think-
the
I
labor
think
injured
from
labor
Kalpi
to the
village we can
ropeway.
easily get lifts.
Person on the ropeway.
And we can gather manpower from Kalpi village also as stone. It is a big
we can
boulder,
also
so we
inform
need.
the villagers at Kalpi so that
Ah.
they can, if they want, they can also help the.
Yes,
And also
we
we
can
can
gather
use-
manpower at
I think
Kalpi.
most of the locations are nearly, and not of the location is more than 15 kilometer, and I think almost is
Now,
We should discuss the time.
Now let us
And
discuss
also we can
We
how-
have one
some of the
problem
manpower
left.
of the
We have one
country-
problem
Now,
left, that
gentlemen,
is
let us
finding
first,
finding the goat.
I think, gentlemen, let us first clear how we have divided our group.
Have to find the
Let
group.
us first clear this thing, how
Yes.
we have
So,
divided our
so
group.
3% would move to query, and 2% would get off the jeep and help in
Help the truck driver
Truck
and
and
driver.
driver in fixing the
I
truck.
think 6% can move towards query and 3% can get off at the bridge.
I think
And 3%
gentlemen,
can move
let
forward.
me
Forward, yes, sir.
Yes,
to
and
summarize.
and with that 2% would then take the person to Takatpur, and they will inform the authorities there itself
And
that
what about 1%?
Yes,
After listening
one
to the
person would be
points, I think we should
taking the
divide
stranded
group
goat, would finding the goat that
Would
has
help
been.
the- no, but gentlemen, we are
And
left
also,
with four.
and also taking help from the Kalpi villages people to help in the fighting.
And also, I would like to inform that we need to inform police also, because we need to ultimately catch the miscreants as well.
Yes.
So the two people who have seen the miscreants can go to the police station along with one of our teammates
Yeah,
and
one of
inform
us
But the same
can
person
stay at
and,
the
and,
the same person
and help
will-
police in making the sketches
Gentlemen,
and
the person which are
going to Takatpura for
Takatpura.
admitting the people, they can inform the
Yes,
police also.
exactly.
Check number 8, after listening all the points, I think I have a better plan that the group has been divided by 3, 3 and 2, and the persons which are
Three,
which
three,
are 2, and they are going to move 3, 3, 4, or they are going to move first group and taking the labor at Kalpi village and giving first aid and also helping and informing the Kalpi villagers about the both of the situations. That first is truck removing the truck from the bridge, and the other is taking help of stone crusher at bend. And to if we are going to first stop the boulder to reach at the track, if it is reached at there, we can
Boulder might have reached the track
I
because
would like to add that.
press it with the help of
pushed
pushing it,
along
and we
ago.
can
So one
also
of us from
take a
the
tow
FRH
vehicle
only can call the railway
to the bridge
authorities to
to
take them
to
only.
move the
Yes, and a good.
But one of us-
Yes, we can
I think
direct.
number
and
46
the-
has given a very good
and-
point. We can take a tow vehicle from Query.
From the
Because
Kalpi
it
village.
is not sure how much time it will take to repair the truck.
No, but taking the yes, it can be a
We can
point.
take it.
Instead of
But
doing
I just want to add that one of our teammate would also move to Takatpur along with the injured laborer.
And we can.
3 persons are going to-
are
Instead of bringing.
So three
talking
persons are
about
not
the
actually
unconscious
needed.
person,
I think the group which is responsible for finding the goats should also inform the station master from FRH station.
Send 4 people. So 2 person can go to Takatpur and 2 person from that joint they can move towards Bend.
Bend and along with the villagers, they have gathered at Galpi village. Yes,
So
exactly.
4 people have firstly moved towards the quarry. 3 people have gathered at bridge, and the 3 people have left, I think.
Yeah.
So they will find the
A goat.
Goat, and also inform the station master through landline
And
which
also
is
they can
functioning in the
move to
northern part of the.
Khanpur. They can move to Khanpur police station. So along with the 2 villagers that have.
Last two words.
Gentlemen, I don't think there is a
Disagree with chess number 7 that there is no need of going to Kanpur. We should consider
phone
a
services are available. Phone services are available, so we can simply call the police. at,
police station. Station master of Takatpur station from the FRH landline at there, and they after that the group will also search for the
I
goat.
think we have
And
divided our group in 4, 3, 4.
yes,
Yes. Now let us discuss the final meeting point. So at
It
all
is
of them
discussed
would be
that-
gathered at Bend. So we can.
yes,
Can't be able because we are.
yes. I think a point made by him that
Last point,
collecting
la-
at Bend is more
Bend
viable.
would be gathering at Bend would be good.
As it will take only 30 minutes to reach at Takatpur
Now
hostel.
the 8 people who are remaining, they can meet
Get
at the
Bend,
junction point
Bend,
at,
Bend.
Stone Crusher. Okay,
Bend.
at the Bend.
At the Bend,
And-
and they can directly move to Takatpur there.
And it will also only take them to 20 kilometers.
By the vehicle they
or 20
originally
minutes.
had. By the vehicle they originally had.
So
I
when-
would like to add a pointer that you said we have not available call facilities in south. So how you will be informing the railway authorities?
As it is mentioned in there that the coal facility south is not available, but in the northern part of the river is
but
functioning.
the receiving point should also have a communication. Yes, he has a point.
If the railway station is
No, but one of our person is going to Takatpur. He can inform that. He
If
can inform.
which are going to Takatpur, they will inform.
They will
the
inform.
rest.
Yes, yes, a good headed correction.
Yeah.
And what about that unconscious person? Like how? Where do we take him?
To Takatpur.
to the Takatpur,
Takatpur, we have
through the
hospital
jeep
facilities.
We have taken from the FRH.
Okay, who will conclude?
I think chess number 8 should conclude.
Should conclude.
And for nominating me. We are a group of 10 people who have come from Takatpur to the boat club, and we have to return. Our aim is to return back to Takatpur hostel before 7:30 p.m. And now if we talk about the problems as per priority, the first problem is to save the life of the injured person at Query, and the second problem is the taking out the truck which has got stuck at the bridge, and the third problem is to clear the railway track at Band. And the fourth and last problem is to find the goat of the Chowkidar's wife before 6:30 p.m. Now, if we talk about the resources, the first resources is the group of 10 people, and the second is the person who has came to inform us about the injured person, the laborer, and the third is the 2 persons which have come from Band with the help of cycle, and also we can easily find a jeep at FRH and a technical assistant at FRH. Now, if we talk about the solutions, all the problems will be solved simultaneously, and if we divide the group, we can divide it by 4. 4 persons can move to Query, and 3 persons can go to bridge, and in last 3 persons can find the goat. And after at Query, the 4 people will again divide in 2 will move to Takatpur and 2 will go to Band. Now, if we talk about the solutions, we will take around 10 minutes to discuss and make a plan. Then we will take a jeep from FRH, and we will 4 people will move to Query. I think the distance is around is 2 kilometers, so it will take around 5 to 7 minutes. And after reaching Quarry, the 4 people will give the first aid to the injured person, and by the help of the ropeway they will take him to the stone crusher. And from the stone crusher we can find another jeep, and from there the 4 persons will take the injured person to Takatpur, and in between the 2 persons will get out of the jeep here, and they will take a lift from here to go to Band. And also in between they can inform the villagers and the laborers at stone crusher about the miscreants in the Band. And if we then the 2 persons will move towards the Takatpur. I think from Quarry to stone crusher it will take them around 5 to 10 minutes. Then from stone crusher to this point it is around 2 kilometers, so it will take, and it is an unmetal road, so it will take around 7 to 8 minutes. And from here to Takatpur it's around 10 kilometers, 8 kilometers, so it will again take them 15 minutes. So, and after reaching Takatpur, the 2 people who have gone to Takatpur, they can inform the police authorities about the miscreants and also the railway authorities to stop the train services, as it is the possibility that the boulder has hindered the railway track. Now if we talk about the third problem, the third problem is to clear the bridge. And as we have already informed the technician, and also we can take a tow vehicle from Quarry. If it's not repaired, then we have to tow it, and the 3 people which are there and the laborers and the tow vehicle, with the help of tow vehicle, they will remove the truck which has got stuck. And in last, the 3 people which have left at boat club, they will help the wife of Chowkidar to find the goat, and before 6:30 p.m. they will take the goat to the Kali Hill. Now in last they all meet at this point, and before, I think this all will be completed before 6:45 p.m. and after meeting at here they will take a lift and they will simply move to Takatpur at their hostel. Thank you.
Okay, and all of you agree to it? Anyone who disagrees?
No, sir.
Is truck a problem? Is truck a problem? Because in your group solution you have included that truck is the second problem. Is truck a problem?
But sir,
Third
we have
problem.
to-
Is truck a problem? Without truck, even if the truck is there throughout your this thing, can't you solve the problem in other ways?
Yes, sir, we can.
Now what was told to in the truck? It is the engine failure. Engine failure means what? Engine failure means what? Naya wo mar gaya. So can you repair it? You can't. Okay. Now, other than that, how will you get them? Stone Quarry पे आ गया, ठीक है. Now, from here, what was the jeep? Now, other solutions you could have gone out. Like somebody has given the solution that from boat club we can take the boat this side or that side, wherever you want to take it. Take the injured person there. Secondly, what else you could have done with the boat? Boat could have been here. You could have transport the person here and then gone. हो सकता था कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, road पे bridge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then easily you can take anywhere. Secondly, you could remove the truck because quarry means what? बड़े-बड़े पत्थर होते हैं, उनको उठाता कौन है? क्रेन है कि नहीं है? तो क्रेन is there, वो क्रेन पत्थरों को आ जाएगी, इसको पुश कर देगी. So then your route will be clear. तुम अपना जीप वगैरह का जो कुछ करना वो कर सकते हो कि नहीं? So you should keep in mind about these things which are there. Understood? Now those persons sitting behind, have you understood? I have not involved you initially because you should know कैसे क्या होता है. Otherwise you could not taken part.